match.
Yeah, what's up guys? I'm in here and today I'm going to be playing a match with the new, not exactly new, but the COD Mobile Mace back for more skin, as well as the HVK jumper cable, I think, or cable jump, no wait, jumper cable, yeah I think, yeah I'm pretty sure, as well as the M1911, the Rainbow M1911, that's all I'm gonna call it.
It's too close, fight harder.
It's called Rainbow M1911. Yeah, that's it. It's only an M1911, but it's a rainbow. Anyways, I'm gonna be playing a match with it. This time it's not going to be oh shit. Oh wait, I forgot. Yeah, OG Ghost.
Let's go.
Dead.
Reloading, cover me.
I think it's really cool for the fact that wait, I don't understand why did I die? I was shooting. Oh, why? I swear to God, if they're not there by the time I get there. I have so many questions for this game. Why in the world does this game exist? Oh wait, for content.
Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Contact with enemy.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no.
It's up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. Changing back, cover me.
Shit. This. Bam. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am.
Reloading, cover me.
There we go.
Down.
Keep back. What? Hang on. Okay.
Let's go.
Hiya! Alright. Oh, shit.
Let's go. Enemy contact.
Okay. Pop lock. Pop lock. I love this game. I got you, boys. Oh shit. There's two of them there.
Let's go.
What? What? Wait. What? How? Where?
Let's go. Be advised, hostile sentry gun spotted.
Yeah, you know what? Dead. Just double check.
Changing mag.
What the? Okay, wait, hang on. I'm just gonna double check.
Grenade out.
Oh, okay, I can ring it.
Pick it up, team. Targets in sight.
Yeah. That's pretty nice. Oh, by the way, guys, I don't just play this game just to win. I just play this game for fun. I'm sure I might be trying to win a game here and there, but other than that, I don't really play this game just to win or like be on the top of the leaderboards. But I just play this game for fun. Like, if there's a new gun out, then yeah, I'm gonna unlock that and show you guys that I'm not just here to win.
Enemy in sight.
Like, I don't really have to win if I don't want to. But yeah,
We're losing this fight.
yeah, I don't care. Alright. Yeet!
Frag!
Well. But like I said, guys, I am not here to just straight up win. I'm not here to do that. Just know that. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you think I should have done something a little bit better, YouTube comments exist. But yeah, stay tuned for next video, which is going to be Mara skin, and the M4 LMG checkpoint gun skin. Peace out, guys.
To accomplish the mission profile. Stand down.